This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce this name of a famous sub-region of the Bordeaux wine region in the southwest of France. This area just to the south of Bordeaux city, kind of pretty much going inside the Bordeaux city. Pessac Léognan is an area that is part of the Grave area to the south of Bordeaux, named after two little towns to the south of Bordeaux that are Pessac and Léognan. Pessac Léognan is particularly famous for having one of the most famous of all chateaux in the Bordeaux wine region of France, that is the Chateau Haut-Brion, but there are also many other famous chateaux in the Pessac Léognan area, such as Chateau Lagraviere, Chateau Carbonnieux. You'll also find Chateau Smith or Lafitte. I personally worked in Pessac Léognan area, and I love the white wines and the red wines of Pessac Léognan because they do make both some delicious age-worthy white wines, particularly from the Sauvignon Blanc wine grape variety, but also some red wines with sometimes, quite often, a dominant of Cabernet Sauvignon in that area of Pessac Léognan. So how do you go about pronouncing Pessac Léognan? Well, Pessac Léognan. It'd be fine in English or American to say Pessac Léognan. Pessac Léognan, but do not insist too much on the final N. Just say Pessac Léognan, Pessac Léognan. For the typical French pronunciation, Pessac Léognan, Pessac Léognan, Pessac Léognan. I hope this video was useful. Here is a video listing the top 20 Bordeaux wines that you should absolutely nail the pronunciation of. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye bye.